Hello everyone. So this is Chandranath again, and today I'll be talking about Ekadasi. Today I was on Ekadasi Vrat, where I was not allowed to eat any stuffs which contains salt. So basically, I just did it because my mom was doing this. So why? Why there is a culture of fasting in India, and actually it's all over the world. So I think that fasting is a method of detoxifying your blood and moreover your body, because while you will not eat something, so the dead cells, they are eaten by the living cells, and this is how your body will detoxify itself. So this is why fasting is important. But the fasting that I did, like I had eaten a lot of stuffs, so it was not actually a good fasting. But I think that there must be also some benefit of not eating salt the whole day. So I'll be talking about today that fasting in which we do not eat anything. So it has these benefits. And also, like, there is a quote, like, if you starve, you value the food. So if you will not eat anything, from the next day you will start respecting whatever the food you have, instead of complaining that, oh, I do not like brinjal, I do not like ladyfinger, etc. So this is why fasting is important, and this is why it is in our culture. So yeah, this is all about today, and I'm just seeing that there is less interaction in this group. So is there any specific reason? Like, I think that you are finding some way for stopping your growth and development, and this should not be done. Like, making a video will hardly take 2 minutes, and if you cannot take 2 minutes of your life to improve yourself, then I don't think what kind of life you are living. Then you are just being the part of a rat race where everyone is just running without any result. So yeah, I will recommend you that take these small steps in your life seriously, so that जैसे वो होता है ना, हमारे पेरेंट्स एफडी करवाते हैं बैंक में, या फिर एलआईसी वगैरह करवाते हैं, तो स्मॉल स्मॉल अमाउंट वो हर मंथ जमा करते हैं. बट व्हेन इट्स द पीक टाइम, जब वो एलआईसी कंप्लीट हो जाता है, लाइक जब वो एफडी कंप्लीट हो जाती है, देन वी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ सम जिसका हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ लाइक एग्जैक्टली द सेम. अगर हम लोग अभी अपने डेली आवर से 2-2 मिनट 3-3 मिनट निकाल के ये सब एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़ करेंगे, देन इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प अस. So take this thing seriously, and I hope you all are enjoying your vacation. So why not make it a little more productive? I think that the students of class 10th are doing really good. Like, they are learning new things out of their syllabus, and they are excited. Like, just the thing that tomorrow is Sunday, right? But when I asked them कि चलो कल छुट्टी रख देते हैं, then they were like, no, 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 we want to study. So this kind of aura you should have. So this is all about today. Thank you and have a nice day.